As you can see, after 5 or 6 years, we've got ants back in the kitchen, and they are literally rushing towards this little pool of fluid. And you may ask, what is that that's so enticing? And the answer is it's a slow poison. And we'll show you how to make that in a little bit. The benefits of a slow poison are that they will carry it back to the nest, they'll feed the other ants, they'll feed the queen, they'll feed all the larvae, and the nest will die. The disadvantage is it takes from 1 to 2 weeks, but it is very thorough. Also, this stuff is relatively safe. It's not nearly as toxic as the stuff you buy in the stores, which will kill ants immediately. Yeah, so those are the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so let's go see how to make it. We start off with warm water, very warm water, but not boiling. And then we start adding boric acid while we stir. And you just create a saturated solution. Keep adding boric acid until no more will dissolve in the water, like that. So you see I'm starting to get precipitation on the bottom. And then we will add the sugar, same thing. Just keep adding sugar until no more will dissolve. And if you have stuff on the bottom, don't worry about it. We'll just filter it out when we scoop it out. And that's it. It takes a lot of stirring. So just keep at it. Get as much as dissolved as you can. It's rather simple to use. You definitely want to put it out of the way of pets or children or where it will get spilled, anything like that. It's relatively safe compared to commercial preparations, but still there's no point in taking chances. So what I do is I find an out of the way place where the ants are, and I get a little bit of this and I put it next to the main source, which in this case is the bottle cap. And you see that the scouts are finding it. You don't want to drown the scouts. You want to make sure they find it. And they will start telling their friends, and they'll take it back to the nest and show, hey, we've got a really good supply of food here, and they'll come and start taking it away. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's been about 6 hours since I put this out, and as you can see, there's the stream of ants has diminished, and the number of ants around here has also gone down. And they've been taking this poison food back to the nest. They've been feeding their nest mates. They've been contaminating the other food in their nest. So that's what you want to do. Now, keep in mind this is a slow poison, and so there will be new ants hatching out all the time. And over say a week or so, they'll keep coming back. If you remove this, they'll go find a new source of food that's not poisoned, and so the new ants that are hatching they'll repopulate the nest, which you don't want. So you keep this out here, the new ants will come and find it. They'll continue to poison the nest until the nest is completely wiped out. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found that useful and interesting in your home DIY pest control.